Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the filter tool in story.mapog.com, a super handy feature that helps you filter specific data based on your custom rules. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. I've already added layers. Watch our tutorial on Add Data. Imagine you have big data set and you want some specific data out of it. Here's Filter Tool makes it super easy. It helps in extracting precise geographic information for analysis, making data handling more efficient and targeted. Once you're in, click on Process Data from the left panel and select Filter Tool. Now, choose the layer you want to filter from your data set. Next, decide on the filter shape. Select All to apply filters to the entire data set. Draw Polygon to manually select an area on the map. Here's where the magic happens. You can define multiple filtering conditions using and/or rules. Or click Add Rule to apply a new filter. Or select the attribute you want to filter, such as price, building type, or year built. Or choose a condition equal to, greater than, less than, etc. And enter the value for your filter. For example, if you're filtering properties over 50,000, you'd select price, choose greater than, and enter 50,000. Once you set up your rules, hit Submit. The tool will process your data and generate a refined data set. You will then get an option to download the filtered data as an Excel sheet for further analysis. Super easy and efficient. That's it. You successfully filtered your data set with MAPOG's Filter Tool. Whether you're working in urban planning, environmental research, or business analysis, this tool helps you focus on the data that matters most. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com. Happy mapping!